Hey ladies over 40, tired of hiding that turkey neck with scarves or avoiding selfies because of sagging skin? What if I told you there's a way to tighten your neck naturally and see results in as little as 8 weeks without surgery? Stick with me because today I'm sharing proven at-home hacks and cutting-edge treatments to banish turkey neck for good, plus the exact timeline for results. Let's get your confidence back. Turkey neck isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a confidence killer. As women hit their 40s, hormonal shifts, collagen loss, and gravity team up to create that dreaded sagging under the chin. Estrogen levels drop, slowing collagen production by about 1% per year, leaving skin thinner and less elastic. Add in sun damage or weight fluctuations, and suddenly your neck looks older than your face. But don't despair. Whether it's mild wobbling or full-on jowls, there are solutions that work. Let's break down the natural methods first, then explore professional treatments for those ready to level up. Let's not sugarcoat it. Turkey neck can feel like a betrayal of your vibrant, youthful spirit. You're rocking your 40s, but that loose skin or stubborn fat under your chin is stealing the show for all the wrong reasons. The truth is, after 40, your skin's collagen and elastin fibers break down faster than your body can rebuild them. And years of squinting at screens or slouching over phones, and you've got a recipe for sagging. But here's where it gets juicy. You can fight back with a mix of natural strategies and high-tech treatments that deliver results. First, let's talk about what you can do at home, because consistency is queen. Neck exercises are a game changer for toning the platysma muscle, which runs from your jaw to your collarbone. Try the chin tuck. Sit straight, pull your chin forward toward your chest without bending your neck. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 to 15 times daily. Or the neck lift. Lie flat, lift your head toward your chest, hold for 5 seconds, and do 10 reps. A 2018 study in JAMA Dermatology showed women over 40 who did facial exercises for 20 weeks saw firmer skin and less sagging. It's not instant, but it's free and effective. Nutrition is your next ally. Collagen peptides, 10 to 15 grams daily in a smoothie can boost elasticity. 2019 study found women over 40 who took collagen supplements for 12 weeks had noticeably lighter skin. Load up on vitamin C rich foods like oranges and bell peppers, plus omega-3s from salmon or walnuts to support skin repair. And don't skip water. 8 to 10 glasses a day keeps your skin plump and hydrated. Skincare is non-negotiable. Retinol, the gold standard for anti-aging, stimulates collagen and speeds cell turnover. Start with 0.5% over-the-counter cream applied nightly, and always follow the SPF 30+ in the morning to block UV damage. If retinol's too harsh, try Bectul, a gentler plant-based alternative with similar benefits. Moisturizers with hyaluronic acid or peptides look in hydration and signal your skin to rebuild. Lifestyle tweaks matter too. Fix your posture. Slouching weakens neck muscles and deepens creases. Sleep on your back with a silk pillowcase to minimize skin folding. Avoid crash diets. Rapid weight loss can worsen sagging. Aim for steady fat loss if you're carrying extra chin weight. So you're probably thinking, these at-home tricks sound great, but what if I want faster, more dramatic results? Don't click away yet. Up next, we're diving into game-changing professional treatments like Ultherapy and Kybella that can transform your neck without surgery. Plus, I'll reveal which options gives the quickest results for busy women like you. Keep watching. You won't want to miss this. Now let's get real. Natural methods are great for mild cases, but if your turkey neck is stealing your glow, professional treatments can work wonders. Non-invasive options are perfect for busy women who want results without downtime. Ultherapy uses ultrasound to heat deep skin layers, triggering collagen production. It's ideal for mild to moderate sagging, with results showing over 2 to 6 months and lasting up to 2 years. Expect to spend about $2,000 to $4,000 per session, but 80% of patients in a 2021 study raved about their tighter necks. Radio frequency. Devices like Thermage and Morpheus 8 combine heat with microneedling to remodel skin and boost collagen. These are great for fine lines and laxity, costing $800 to $3,500 per session with minimal redness for a few days. If fat's the issue, cool sculpting mini freezes submental fat, permanently reducing it after 1 to 3 sessions for about $1,000 to $2,000 each. For faster results, minimally invasive options like Kybella injections dissolve fat under the chin. It's FDA approved, costs about $600 to $1,200 per session, and needs 2 to 6 rounds, but swelling can last a week. Thread lifts, using dissolvable PDO threads, lifts sagging skin for 1 to 2 years at about $1,500 to $4,500 per session. If you're dealing with severe sagging, a neck lift surgery is the gold standard. It removes excess skin and tightens muscle with results lasting 7 to 15 years. It's pricier, about $8,000 to $15,000, and requires 2 to 4 weeks of recovery, but it's a one and done fix for dramatic cases. So how long does it take to see results for reversing turkey neck? Natural methods like neck exercises and retinol show subtle improvements in 8 to 12 weeks, with significant tightening by 6 months if consistent. Non-invasive treatments like Ultherapy or Kybella take 2 to 6 months for full effects as collagen rebuilds. Surgery, for example neck lift, offers instant results but requires 2 to 4 weeks recovery. Consistency and combining methods accelerate progress. Ignoring turkey neck won't make it go away. If left unchecked, sagging worsens, and that double chin or loose skin can make you feel like you're aging faster than you are. I've seen women hide behind scarves or avoid photos because of it. It's heartbreaking. But the good news, you have options, from daily exercises to high-tech treatments, and they're more accessible than ever. Reversing turkey neck is totally doable, and you don't need to break the bank or go full-on surgical to see results. Start with exercises and skincare. They're low cost and build a foundation. If you're ready to invest, treatments like Ultherapy and Kybella can be life-changing without major downtime. My take, don't let turkey neck dim your shine. You're in your prime, and your neck should reflect that. Pick one method, stick with it for 12 weeks, and watch the transformation unfold. Well, ladies, you're now armed with everything you need to tackle turkey neck and shine in your 40s. From chin tucks to Ultherapy, your confidence is about to soar. So what's your first step? Drop a comment below. Will you try a collagen smoothie, start retinol, or book a treatment? I read every comment and can't wait to hear your plan. If this video helped you, smash that button and subscribe for weekly anti-aging tips tailored for fabulous women over 40. Want more on skincare, workouts, or treatments? Tell me in the comments and I'll make it happen. More ways to glow in your prime? Check out this video. 5 skincare mistakes women over 40 make, right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.